We are here this morning in Atlanta, Georgia for Higharc Studio Fundamentals training. We have over 25 trainees, architects and drafters from all over the country who have gathered together to learn about Higharc Studio and how it can transform the way they run their home building operations. Higharc is a home building cloud that allows you to design, sell, and build homes and communities faster with one connected platform.
Biggest challenge is time. We have close to 75 stock plans. Within each stock plan, we have 5 elevations with 20 plus options. Trying to manage each individual file separately compared to what Higharc brings to the table. That's the reason why we're here.
As you're modeling, you can create custom plan views and custom 3D views.
Moving to the new system of Higharc, the biggest change for me is going 3D.
You're usually working in a 2-dimensional space, and bringing the 3rd dimension to actually visualize was never there. So we had to kind of go back and forth between the architect and the client, kind of trying to connect the dots. Man, that was very painful.
See the 3D model, on one side of your screen while you're changing things in a 2D floor plan. And that's actually, I really like that.
Navigate to the options in your navigation bar.
Being able to turn options on and off real easily. I've always had to use layering in AutoCAD, and it's kind of a pain, so having everything in one model is going to be a real help for me.
In Higharc, you can see it all come together as you're building it. You can tell if the floors line up. You can tell if you have an issue way ahead of time.
Higharc will speed up our working process in a lot of ways because I think there's not a lot of repetition that we have to do.
The central data model makes it so much faster because all of the information we put in every house is already there.
As you update or make any change live, from drafting department to estimating, whether you're on your cell phone, iPad, we also have builders out on the field live, so being able to see that, I think it's just a very, very powerful tool.